Hi guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review from Ashimary here. It is a 16-inch body wave pre-everything lace frontal wig. As you can see, everything already comes done for you. It even has the baby hairs. The tape on the side is already installed and it even has a drawstring. That way it fits all head size. You don't have to worry about if it's small head friendly or not. It's easy. You just throw it on. The hairline is already plucked. I went in and tinted to lace to match my complexion, but that's literally the only thing I did to the lace. It's already cut for you. The hairline is already plucked. They even have the hair already styled for you. So this is a body wave texture and the hair comes with these curls already installed. So you don't have to pull out no curling iron or nothing. Guys, if you like wig reviews like this, don't forget to click that follow button, like this video, and also follow me on my social media platforms. I have a TikTok and an Instagram. But after I stick the tape, and mind you, this tape sticks so freaking well. Only thing I did after I stuck the tape down was fix the baby hair to my liking. I didn't add any gel or anything, so all I did was comb it the correct way. And for the styling of this hair, it's really, really nice because look at the front right there. They know what we like. They got the front of the hair puffed up, which I absolutely love. And these curls are so good because they did not go nowhere. Even after I took the wig off and came back the next day, they were still tight. Look at this hairline. And this is without any glue or spray or anything. You don't have to use any glue, no lace adhesive spray with this wig. It stays in place. And it's such a good wig, guys. The color is fabulous. With the brown highlights. This is like I would say a number 30 highlight on a 1B hair. And I like the 16-inch. It's actually a really good length for an everyday style. But you could also style this hair in different ways. You don't have to just wear it down. For example, I'm going to do an updo right now. So I did leave a little bit of hair out in the front for like a bang, a side swept bang. And I'm just taking a clip and pinning her up. And it looks really nice, really natural. And this is a quick and easy style if you don't want any hair on your neck for that day. But then if you want to go a little extra, go a little extra mile, you could do a half up, half down, which is great for going out. This is really a wig that you could put on during the day, wear it to the office, and just go in the bathroom real fast and do a quick different style. Because this one was really, really cute the way I did this half up, half down. You just part the hair, brush it up, make sure you have enough hair in the back down, and then just pin it up with the hair clip, just like you would do with the full updo, but you only do half of the hair. So once you section out the hair the way you like it, you're going to twirl the hair really tight because we want this to be a nice, sleek, half up, half down. So just smooth the hair out, twirl it with your finger, make sure it's tight at the base, and then pin it up with the claw clip that you have. And this is so cute. And these curls, like I said, these curls are tight. They're stayed in. I forgot to mention, but y'all should know this already. Ashimary hair is 100% human hair. So this is no synthetic fibers, nothing. This is 100% human hair. And the quality is fabulous, especially for the price tag. Ashimary is a very affordable wig brand. So if you're looking for a very affordable wear-go wig, this is one you should definitely check out. The link is in the description box.